Hello everyone and welcome back to Rice Fix. And today guys I'm going to go slightly off topic because I have found out about a nice site online where you can order electric fan parts. Now this is my standing fan which stopped working, so I tried to repair this fan guys, and the problem was with the coil. And I didn't want it to rewind the coil guys, because when you rewind a coil it gets spoiled again and again as per my experience. So I was thinking from where I should buy this motor. So I was searching online, and online I came across a site called Shivatools. So on that site I ordered the motor of this fan. So let's see if the site is genuine guys. If this site is genuine, then it can benefit all of you guys. It is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Now as you guys can see, this is the sender's address. The parcel came from this address guys. So let's open the box and let's check inside if everything is alright. Now the box packing is very good guys, and I have received this box from the local post office guys. What I mean by that is, the postman who delivers letters to my house, he has bought this parcel to me. So for delivery these guys are using the local post office, which is okay. So when I opened the first box, inside of that box I found another box like this. So I will open this box now and I will see inside what is inside of this box. If everything is alright and is working fine, then only I will recommend the site to you guys. I will put a disclaimer here guys. This is not a paid review. I have ordered this motor and it has cost me around 999 rupees something. I didn't want it to buy the entire fan guys, because rest of the fan parts were fine. Only the motor part had stopped working, which is the main part actually. The actual price of this motor is 700 guys. But because of the taxes and the shipping, the price comes to around 950 or 999 rupees something. And if I had to buy a new fan, it would cost me around 2000 to 2500 rupees. Now before buying this motor, I contacted this site through WhatsApp. The number is given on the site guys. I sent them the photos of my fan motor and I asked them if this type of motor is available. Then they replied to me that this motor is available. Then only I went and ordered this motor. Now I don't know if this motor is going to fit on my fan guys. I've ordered this, so let's see what is the fitting of this motor. So inside the box the motor is proper, so on that the site looks genuine. Now if I compare this motor with my old motor, then as you guys can see, they look almost the same. But the back mechanism which rotates the fan, in that there is a slight change. But I will fit this motor on my fan first and then I will check. So to fit the new motor on the fan, I will have to remove this cap out first. And inside of this cap there will be a screw like this. Now this screw I will have to take out. This screw looks something like this. Once I take out this screw, my old motor assembly will come out easily like this. The wires of this motor I have already cut guys. I could not show that to you because at first I did not think that I would make a video of this. But the moment I got this site, I thought that I will make a video on it, because this site can be helpful to any of you guys. And when I feel that something is helpful, then I immediately come and share on this channel. So keep the channel subscribed and keep the bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my new videos. So I have put my new motor in place here. Then I put back the screw. Then I had to connect the rotating mechanism here. Now to connect that, you will have to turn the motor like this and you will have to bring that rotating mechanism in position. When this mechanism comes in position, then this rod here will fit on the mechanism like this. So once it goes inside properly, here you will have to put back the screw. So my rotating mechanism also fitted properly. Now this motor comes along with the rotating mechanism guys. It also comes with a capacitor. But on this side you can order all these parts separately as well. Now because all of these things were coming together, I ordered this entire motor. Because the capacitor on my old fan was also malfunctioning and the rotating mechanism of that motor was also broken. That is the reason why I ordered this entire motor. So I have connected the rod which rotates the fan. Now the capacitor of this motor, they have not fixed it to the assembly, but they have given a screw for that. So I will take that screw out. I will keep the capacitor in position and I will put back the screw on top of that and I will tighten it properly. Once I fixed that, the next thing I had to do was connect all the wires. Now to connect the wires, according to the color coding, I connected all the wires. What I mean by that is, I connected the red wire to the red wire, blue wire to the blue wire. Luckily only one wire was of a different color that I connected in the end to the wire which was left. So here I am done connecting all the wires. So I will plug it in and I will stop the rotating mechanism of the motor because all my wires are exposed guys. I have not yet applied any insulation tape on top of them. If this motor rotates and if the wires shake, then they can come in contact with each other and the motor can get short. So don't try like this at home, guys. I only want to turn it on and see if it is working. So as you guys can see, my motor is rotating and it is working. It is working on all the numbers. So now I will apply insulation tape on all the exposed wires, and I will put the fan on the rotating mechanism and I will turn it on. So let's turn it on and see if it is working fine. Now as you guys can see how nicely this motor is rotating. Now after replacing the motor, most of my major work is done. Now only the plastic parts I have to put back. So put back the back cover, then put back the front attachment. Then on the front attachment, 4 screws go. Put back those 4 screws, and once you put back these 4 screws, on top of the back cover there will be a hole through which you can put the button of the rotating mechanism, which comes up and down. So put back that button and put the screw which was there on that button. Now once you put back this button, see that you pull it and press it and see if it is working fine. So once you do all these things, get your fan back grill, put it in on the right side, and on top of this there will be a plastic nut. Put back that plastic nut now. Then get your fan blades, and on top of that a knob goes which rotates in an anti-clockwise direction. So you will have to tighten this knob in an anti-clockwise direction, guys. Remember that. So now let's start the fan and let's see if it is rotating properly, and let's see if it gives good air. So as you guys can see, my fan is rotating properly. If you come on the back side of the fan, then you will notice that all the plants are moving, which means that it is giving nice air. So with that, I am done repairing this fan. Only thing that remains is putting back the front grille. So in my opinion, guys, Shivatools is a genuine site. You can order any fan parts from that site, and that too by sitting at home. And only if you know how to do it by yourself, like how I have done it here now. So I will put the link of the site in the description below. You can go there and check it out as well. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rise and signing out. Until we meet again.